welcome viewer to my channel, One Believe with Tariq, with the new fresh episode. Some of you asked me what happened, why there was no video in last week. Actually, one of the cameraman who has get busy, so there was no cameraman available who will make the video. And honestly, I don't know how to make the video myself on the camera. So neither the cameraman was available and neither also the who write the narration of the thoughts or the experience that I time to time try and gather for you guys. So this is one more important episode during the COVID COVID-19, where people have actually started already the vaccination and the businesses are slightly going up and down. I thought, actually, let me explain to you something today. Emotions are very important in a life. And particularly when you are working in any organization, you need to understand that how emotional you are. Because normally, let's say if the working hours is 8 hours in a day. Switzerland is maybe the only country or some of the few countries where they have actually 6 hours working day. So beside that, most of the countries they have actually 8 hours, 10 hours and sometimes 12 hours also. In a day, actually we spend our life because of the events, and every day we face different type of challenges, problems, opportunities, learning, discussion, and of course we get upset, we feel happy. So this is all, if you summarize, you need to understand how emotional you are. There are people who are very sensitive. So if they receive, let's say, one email or SMS or WhatsApp or any form of the communication and it's written good job, they feel very happy, they will go top of the moon. Same people, they are very sensitive, oversensitive, let me put it this way. When they receive any negative remarks about their job, assignment, task, whatever in a day, they get very upset. Actually, when we get upset, it's affect our energy, efficiency, and also it's allow negative thoughts to come in your brain. So while we're designing the career, it's very important to understand that how emotional we are on our job, in the field, while working, dealing with the colleagues, in the working environment. So if you are not a very sensitive people, that's good. But if you are sensitive, it's also good. It's a human. I mean, there are several type of people. There are some type of people you will say, you keep saying something, they don't bother. There are people who care a lot for a single word, like thank you, good job. So, there are meaning and there are meaningless for the peoples. So it's important for you to understand how to control your emotions while you are working in any organization and focus on your job, on your target. Have you set your target in any organization where you want to reach? Which position you want to reach? What is the timeline? Why don't you just think about, suppose if you are working in an organization 5 years, so you have to think next 5 years where you want to go, which position you want to reach, what salary you want to be. Then you start working for it. Now, most of the time we see, for an example, athletes or any kind of a sportsman, when they are on the field, in the match, we will see that how accurate and they try to find all the way to win their whatever. Let's say if they are an athlete, they want to win the trophy or want to come number one. But we always see the players in the field, very fit, energetic, working. But how many times we thought about in the background that what is the effort or what kind of efforts they do to actually win this trophy or the race. Similarly, it's very simple. In any organization, you have to think how much efforts you are giving, not the normal efforts, beside the normal efforts in terms of your own development, for an example. You need to identify what kind of tools you need or require to move forward. You can watch my earlier movies. I have talked about that also. Today I wanted to share one of the story. One of a friend of mine, he actually worked in a very well-known company, and he was actually a very well qualified in one of the well-known institute, MBA, long time back. One day he got upset and he resigned from his job. And this is true story actually. And when he shared this with me, I was really surprised. So he said, Tariq, I have resigned from my job. And he says, 20 years, he never got another job. Imagine. Well qualified, experienced guy, he never found a job. He is now working as a consultant, about age of 65. And I was really surprised. I said, what happened? He said, this is sometime when we take the emotional decisions. So it's very important while you are working, you need to understand how emotional you are and try to work yourself analyzing your decision making on the job, in the field, every day, every time. Keep watching my movie. Thank you very much.